Hey there, code breakers. Are you tired of your classes acting like rebellious teenagers, refusing to share their traits? Well, today we are going to teach them some family values with inheritance. And for those drama queens in your code love to act differently in the same scene. Don't worry, we'll got back to Rayyan, where coding meets comedy. In this video, we are diving into the Python inheritance and polymorphism because who said programming can't be funny? Who said? Buckle up and let's turn your code into blockbuster family drama with a twist of humor. Let's roll, or should I say, let's inherit some wisdom. So now, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's talk about in the Python about the serialization and deserialization of Python objects and using the pickle model. So let's talk about it. This one code example has been given me, so let's run this example first of all. Now we are writing this example, okay, not we are running this example, we are writing this example. So first of all, create a one file, and I'm bringing this file on my documents, and let's write this code. So let's start to write this code and let's see the output of it. Now I'm writing the first of all I insert a one module by the name of pickle, and if you want to download this module, so you only want to do it right here, pip install pickle. So download this module if in your PC it has been not downloaded. So download this module and it will be easy to write these codes. Okay, pip install pickle. Okay, pip install pckle. Okay, let me write pip install. What I'm write here? Okay, let me write here pip install pip. Okay, so now it has been started downloading. It is saying me requirement already satisfied. Okay, perfect. It's saying me that requirement has been already satisfied, means like it has already has been downloaded. If in your PC it has been not downloaded, so download it. Okay, so here I'm giving the example data to serialize. So I'm writing a first of all I create a one here. I'm creating one dictionary. Okay, now name alias, here I am creating one dictionary. Age I am giving him to the 30. So write 13 without double commas because 30 is an integer, not a string. Okay, right here is active, write true. Do not write true in the double commas because this is a boolean. Okay, now define inner skills. In the skills you write your own skills, like I am writing Python, data science. In 2025 you must know these skills, okay, because in the future it will be help you. Okay, so you are thinking why I'm writing here comma, because if you do not write commas, it will has been give you the error. Here you can see it. Now when I write a comma, so it will not give me the error. Now here you can see it. Now when I do this, so I only want to do it here. I am serialize the data to a file. Now I'm writing with open. I'm writing here data.pkl comma wb, then I'm writing as file. Now here I'm writing pickle dot dump, and then I'm writing here data comma file. Perfect. Now here I am writing print. I am writing here data serialized and save to data, and the single comma you write it data.pkl, and now perfect. Now when we do this, so now here I am writing here deserialize the data from the file. Now I am writing here with open data.pkl and then comma rb, and then as file load it, and I am writing it data equals to pickle dot load, then I am writing here file, then print. I am writing here in the double comma data deserialized, and then you only want to do it right here, print your loaded data. Okay, Perfect. Now we write our all the code of it. Now first of all, here we create an example data to serialize, and then here we used in the 12 and 13 and 14 line. Here we serialized our data to a file, and in the 17, 18 and 19, 20 line, here we deserialize the data from the file. So let's see the output of it. Now let's save it in a. So now it give me data serialize and save to data.pkl. Data deserialize, it give me like name alias, age 30, is active true, skills Python, data science, machine learning, and machine learning. Here you can see it. It give me this type of one thing, like it give me the one dictionary. It has been printed me my dictionary. It is looking like this. Okay. So here you can see it. In today's video, we talk about it. So now let me explain you. First, serialization pickling. The pickle.dump method is used to serialize the method object and save it to binary file data.pkl. Number 2, deserialization, unpicking. The pickle.load method reads the binary data and converts it back to the original Python object. Note that the pickle model in Python is specified and should not be used for sharing data across different programming languages. Number 2, it avoids unpicking data from untrusted sources as it can execute arbitrary code and pose security risks. So, in today's video, we talk about in the Python what is the serialization and deserialization of Python object using the pickle model. So, if you enjoy this video, so please like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to all notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos of the Python. So now, please like this video and come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan, and this is our second video of the new year. Okay, and then please complete my 4,300 subscribers. We are very near to it, and I uploaded one new video about Python list, so go and see it 3 days ago. And now come on to the playlist. Then when you come on to the playlist, come on to the Python tutorial full course from scratch playlist, and successfully completed 200 videos of the Python very successfully as. And when you come on it here, you see my all the videos and access my playlist also, and all the videos of it, and you successfully completed 1000 views on my playlist. So please go it with 2000 2000 views on this playlist. Okay, so but anyways, I hope you enjoy this class. So now let's give the output of this video in the big screen. Now let's come on to the big screen and let's give the output of this beautiful video. And in this place, I told you all things about Python. Okay, now we completed 500, 200, 300 videos of the Python. Okay, we completed. Okay, so now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos of the Python. And tell me how you're liking my new thumbnail or my previous thumbnail like this. Okay, tell me in the comment section below. But anyways, now let me give the output of this video. That's a wrap on today blockbuster coding drama, starting inheritance and polymorphism. I hope you enjoyed the twist and turn and laughed as much as I did. Now it's time to be the director. Write your own script, give your classes their no roles, and let the polymorphism magic shine. If you found this video helpful or at least funny, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your fellow coders. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Until next time, happy coding and stay awesome.